So we've uploaded our first app that we made in the designer to the app cloud, and now we have an iPhone and 2 Android devices that we're going to install the Raptool Client on and install the little test app that we made. So you go to Raptool Client, or you search for Raptool Client in the Play Store or App Store here, and then you just download and install this application. On the Android device here, we're going to download it from our website with a direct link. So you go to raptool.com/files and push APK for Android and download again and open, and that's going to go through the installer here. And on this device, we're going to go to the Play Store, search for Raptool and find the Raptool Client and download and install that. So let's open the Raptool Client here on all the devices. So when you get to the app the first time, you'll have to enter an activation key. So in this case, we used the test app to use test app to publish our application. So that's what we're going to use here too. On this one, we're going to scan this little barcode that we have that takes the device directly to the application. So now you see the downloaded application here, and here we're going to type test app, and we're going to do a #3, which takes it to our server 3, where it's going to download the application. So now we have the same application on all 3 devices. And if you have a PC or a Mac or a web application, then you download those applications from our website raptool.com/files.